Well, that was exciting. So I drove 250 miles to go get a new trailer, and on the way back, I am in the middle of abso-freaking-lutely nowhere, Iowa, and the rear drive shaft breaks. Now, I got a picture of it, which I'll add into the video at some point, probably right here. But I didn't get any video because I was broke down on the side of an interstate and just wanted to very quickly get that taken care of. Got underneath there with the breaker bar and the impact, 15 millimeter, spun the rear U-joint off and disconnected it. The front U-joint was the one that broke, so nothing to do there. And threw it all back in the Jeep, put it in four-wheel drive, and here I am hauling ass down the highway. Not hauling ass, I'm being very careful actually, but nonetheless, rear drive shafts broke, 4 bolts, finished taking it off, put it into four-wheel, and go. So that's my update for right now. I will more than likely create an entire video on putting in new U-joints. Guess that's going to be the next project. See ya, KJ Nation. Stay safe.